Just to give you a quick update, this is what the flower garden looks like. We've done our pallet wood, we've started planting our little seedlings into it. As you can see, the water is ready to water, all the seedlings are in. And next project to this, with all our nice drums in there, as we've got it in time for spring, is we're harvesting water.
So beginning the process of building our water harvester, we used one of these 1,000-litre drums. We would then just cut off the top of it, and that would be the beginning of how we started.
What I've done for my water harvester is the following. I built a base here, and as you can see, I constructed the base in such a manner that I can fit underneath the tap over here a 10-litre bucket. What I've done is I took one of those 1,000-litre drums, you know, those white 1,000-litre drums that you get all over the from a lot of places. You can find them on Facebook, you can find them at a lot of yards and that. They usually hold chemicals in that. So it's a 1,000-litre drum. What we did is we took the drum, we channeled our gutters from there all the way. We channeled our gutters. I don't know if you guys got a nice view. Channeled our gutters from our roof, brought it right down into our gutter system, and brought the gutter system right down and channeled it right down all the way into the 1,000-litre drum. So it goes all the way up onto your roof and it comes down. It's been built 4 bricks high. And then what we've done to give it it's incomplete at the moment, but what we've done to give it the same look as your flower beds with the wood, we've actually put the wooden planks, or again pallet wood, again pallet planks, around the whole 1,000-litre drum. And then, as I said, we've built the base onto it so you can fit your bucket underneath it and harvest. On the top of it, what happens now is we'll just build a lid. Also out of pallet wood, we'll build a lid on top of it so no dust or anything gets into it. So at least whenever the rainfall comes, you've got 1,000 litres of water that you've harvested into this tank. And you can put as many tanks as you want around your farm, under all your roofs. Wherever you've got a roof, you can put 1,000-litre tank and harvest that, put gutters down and harvest that rainwater and have that rainwater for when you need it.
As you can see here, we've got the hatch that opens. If anything needs to be done, we do have the opening, and it's easy access for us to just get inside and keep it nice and clean.
How much water we got out of our water harvester? It was raining for 2 days, and a whole 1,000 litres of water kept in our water harvester that we managed to save. So very happy with this water harvester. And if you can notice that our flower pots here, because they've risen, because they're off the ground, while everything else around us is soaked, this is as just nice and damp, got enough water, not too much water, so we're very, very happy about it.
We're doing a bit of arts and crafts. That's all on my way. We've got one of these wooden curtains. We're currently putting some yacht varnish on it to protect it, make it waterproof, so we can start putting the boss's outside office together. As you can see, it still needs a lot of work, but let's see how far we get with this, and hopefully by this afternoon we can show you guys what the completed project looks like. Please make sure when you do this to have a good ventilated area. It does have a bit of a smell to it, although not a very unpleasant smell. You do need to take precautions and have a well-aired area where you do paint. Make sure that you put enough sealant on, as you don't want in a couple of months to have your pretty curtain, wooden curtain, all bent out of shape, waterlogged. So we're going to do 2-3 layers on this, make it nice, strong and water soluble, so it lasts for a couple of years. As you can see also how nice it looks after it's been painted and what it looks like before it's been painted. So it does add to the aesthetics, adds to the palette wood projects we've done before. If you take the time to do your projects, you will have beautiful garden, beautiful aesthetics that lasts a while. Thank you for watching, and we hope that your garden turns out fantastic, and remember, keep planting. See, we finished the first layer of varnish. We're going to do a second layer, then we'll flip it over and do 2 paints on the other side, and hopefully shortly we'll be able to put it up and show you guys the completed product.
Looks beautiful, looks beautiful.
Hi everyone, I'm Eleni from Soma Farms, and just a quick update. Since mom and dad went to do paperwork, I'm busy finishing off here and doing the second side of the wooden curtain. It is very important to add a thick coat to wood like this, because the wood is very soft, so the more varnish you add to it, thicker it becomes, and it will be more stronger and stable.
Good afternoon everyone. As you can see, this is how the final project looks for the outside office. So now the boss can be close to nature, relax, and he can do his business from the comfort of his outside office. When he doesn't feel like being all stuffed up inside, he's got his beautiful little swing here that he can relax on. As you will see in the previous episode as well, how it looked before we started with it and how it looks now.